Hi guys! So in this video I'm going to see if I can take these Warhammer 40k sprues, melt them down and then recast them. So to make it easier to melt them down, I'm just going to cut them up into smaller segments. This is easily done using my little snips. So to melt it down I'm using this acetone, which is 99.5% pure. So I've never used this stuff before and I'm sure I should probably be wearing gloves, which I have now ordered for the next time I do this kind of experiment. So there we go, I've got quite a bit of the liquid in there now. And now it's just a case of adding in the cut sprues. As I'm not too sure how much I'll need for the moulds, I'm just going to pour all of it in. There we go, they're all in and the liquid seems to be going up near enough to the top of the sprues. And this is what it looks like after just a couple of hours. So already you can see it is melting quite a bit in there. And this is what it looks like after 4 hours, so it's definitely melting. But just to make sure it is as melted as it can get, I'm going to leave it for about 24 hours. And here we go, 24 hours later, and it's definitely soft and gooey. It's possibly not quite as soft as I'd really like it, but I think this is as soft as it's going to get, so we'll give it a go. So before I try it in the moulds, I'm going to see if I can actually melt it a bit more by using a hot air gun. I'm not too sure what this will actually do to it, but it's worth trying. Okay, so that looks like that's a bit of a fail. Heating it with the air gun is just making it go crusty. But it was definitely worth trying just to see what would happen. So here's a mould I made some time ago. I have filmed myself making this mould, but I'm not too sure at the moment if I should really put the video on my channel. So I'm just going to use a knife to get out the melted sprues and then try and flatten it down into the mould. So this stuff's pretty clingy and just basically wants to stick to anything it touches. So I'll just keep getting out a bit at a time and try and flatten it down as much as I can. So now it's in, I'm just going to keep pushing it down as hard as I can, just to try and get it in all the little nooks and crannies. Okay, so I've left it for 2 days and it's now gone rock hard and solid. And now I can take it out of the mould and see if it's made any impression at all on the melted sprue. So it's not come out too good, but to be honest, I think it's come out better than I actually expected it would. As much as it looks like the place has been set on fire, there are quite a few areas where there is some fine detail. So here it is next to a resin cast, where obviously all the details come out perfectly. So while it's not a total disaster, I don't think it's a piece you'd actually really use. Unless you were building something that was meant to have a lot of fire damage, and then I think it'd probably fit in just right. So while it didn't work out this time, I might actually try it again, but next time I'm going to use a firm mould, and next time when I put the melted sprue into the mould, if I get 2 pieces of wood, put the whole thing into a vice and then clamp it tight, that might actually exert enough pressure to make a better cast. All I need now is to go out and buy a vice, which I might try and do. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and leave some comments below, let me know what you thought of this video, and what you might want to see me do in the future. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, just so you get informed of when my videos come out. If you are able, guys, it'd be great if you could share this on Twitter, your Facebook page or Facebook group, Discord and Reddit. That'd be awesome. Here's another video you can click on to see more of what I do. Okay guys, that's it. Bye for now.